Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing okay. I wanted to make this quick video to address two concerns that have kind of popped up over the past week or two. The first one is how are you getting graded? How is this work counting towards your grade? And the second thing is how do I properly submit an assignment on Google Classroom? Or how do I even get to edit the documents that you're sending me? So the first thing is grades. Everything you do turn in is counted as extra credits. Most assignments are worth about 5 to 10 points, depending on the length or the amount of questions that are on them. That doesn't sound like much, but since it is extra credit, most assignments will bump your grade about 2 to 3% sometimes, depending. And that still may not sound like a lot, but if you take it to the fact that you've done maybe 3 or 4 assignments, multiply that by 3% each, that's almost 8, 9%. So that gets almost a full letter grade. So you'll see all of the assignments that are listed on Google Classroom. You'll actually see those in Aries as well. I've been updating them as frequently as possible, but feel free to always ask me questions, or if you're not sure how much an assignment's worth, or if you think I missed an assignment that you submitted, please reach out to me, okay? Secondly, I'm going to show you on a Google Classroom for the most recent assignments how to actually submit the assignment online. So one of your peers was kind enough to let us use their account. So here's your Google Classroom page. And when you click on history, this is what you'll see. And we'll just start with the very first link here. Our most recent assignment is Aztec Empire video PowerPoint notes. I recorded myself over a PowerPoint, so we'll click it. Here you have the link. So if you click the link, that should work. If that link does not work, please let me know. I have another one that might sometimes just depending what your restrictions are on your computer. But let me know, okay, if that video does not work. The second thing you'll see, sometimes you'll see right here your Word document that I send to you, and other times it's actually up here. So if it's up here, what you have to do is don't turn this in. This document is blank. It's the blank document that I sent to you. And I've received several blank documents already. I'm sure you're doing the work, but I can't see anything. So the first thing you have to do is click on this. Click on it, and it's going to open up this preview. And I frequently get asked, Mr. Aguilar, how do I edit this? This is just a preview, right? This is what I want you to take notes on and submit back to me. You have to click these 3 dots at the top right corner. It says more actions. And you're going to go where it says open a new window. And it's going to open your Google Drive. This is, remember, your Google Drive is where you can store all of your files for all of your classes on. We're going to get rid of this, I think. All right. Now that you're here, you have 2 options. The best option is to to click where it says open with, and you're going to click on Google Docs. And that's going to open it in your Google Docs in your drive. So the only person that now can edit this is you, right? So now it's here. You would actually go in and fill this out on your own. So I'm going to type something on here. I'm just going to put my name. And then now that you're done with that, it saves by itself because remember it's in Google Docs. You don't have to press save. It should already save automatically. So once you're done, you can do 2 things. One, you can just share it with me. That's going to create a lot of emails, which is okay. That's the second option, but it's also very easy. So if you're not sure how to do it, that's perfectly fine. You can share it with me. If not, you're going to go back now to your Google Classroom, back to the assignment page. And originally, this one that we clicked on at the very beginning, now we're going to press an X because that's your old one. That's the one with nothing on it. So we're going to close it. And now we removed it. So now we're going to go to Add or Create. We're going to go to Google Drive. Very important. Don't go to PowerPoint. Don't go to Docs. That's going to make a new document. We don't want that. Click on Google Drive. It will probably be in your recent, more than likely if you just did it. If not, just go to My Drive and it will be there as well. You remember, My Drive has everything you've ever turned into me. Okay, you'll just double click it. Thank you, Riley, by the way, for letting me use your account. And then after that, you'll just press turn in. This is now your new updated, edited document. And you're going to press turn in. And don't worry, Riley, I'm not going to count this. Not this one. Turn in. And it should give you, there we go. And now it shows that you have it submitted. And if you say you turned it in too early, or maybe you didn't realize you didn't finish it, you can press unsubmit. So those of you that have submitted a blank document, just go back and press unsubmit, and that should work out just fine for you, okay? I hope this helped, guys. If you have any questions, I'm always available through Google Classroom or through email. All right, you guys take care.